pantyhose. Sing the chorus and it goes. I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up. Please stand up.
What's up, guys? SonofGame here today. Quick scoping madness. That's all it is. And we're just trying final kill. Quick scope madness. Right, guys? Everyone say I if you like this. Alright, well. Yeah. You guys, talk louder, please. My quality is not good. My quality doesn't want to cooperate today, so yeah. Oh, I saw that. Oh, I saw that too. Yeah, I'm so rusty. Since I've been playing for 2 months, I'm so rusty. I'm still undefeated. Oh, that's it.
Wait, you can try fighting.
What? We're scoping him. Oh, did he hit? He did something. Yeah, he did hit.
Actual people in this game?
Yeah.
Now deadly force is authorized.
Oh my. Guys, no using C4s. Alright. Oh my god, I didn't even get a kill yet. Here we go, I'm going to my actual kill now. This guy. You can use them. I don't have them banned. No, they aren't. They're not blocked. I don't have them blocked.
Oh, but there's no C4s.
Madness. Oh, alright. There's no. What? Alright. Yeah, that was good. How about we do like carriers so we can do better trick shots or something?
We asked.
If you. No. Okay. If you hit a trick shot for the final kill, it'll end automatically. Yeah, I have really good classes. Good cameras. Oh, because it's at the score limit's at 50. Alright. We just did it. Everyone say hi to my viewers.
What's up?
I need to go back here soon, bro.
Mike doesn't put you
Oh my god. Pump Echo is almost close to trick shotting. Wow, he's falling behind me. Alright, we're about to have a trick shotter. Ooh, there we go, scope. Stop using C4s, dude. I'm sorry. No! I saw that. Oh, that was sick,
I
Big
still
Ben.
don't think so. Get you up.
Dang it.
Okay, I got you.
Is someone trick shot? Hold on, pump Echo. You know what? Oh, you're at 48. I think you're one more kill. There we go. That's it forever. Gosh. Alright, there we go. Alright, pump Echo's at trick shotting already. Dang it. Alright, I'm in first place. Not bad out of 13 people. Oh, alright. That shot straight up. Ooh, okay. Oh my god, curvy jumping.
I got merciless.
Oh, nice.
Oh no! No, I was at
What the piss?
I need one more trick shot.
Yep, one more. Nice. God. It's like literally madness. I saw that. Where you going? Where you going?
No, you got killed.
Ah! Dang it.
What the fuck? Why are you doing this? I can't get one fucking trick shot with that.
I can't even quick scope now.
How you doing this nice trick shot if you don't have it?
Alright, how many people are trick shotting? We have a few people are trick shotting. Like, I don't know how I got you like that. Alright, hi. Oh my god, that's kind of sick. Oh, I'm like on a merciless, I think. What am I on? Oh! Oh, did you hit?
Yeah, bruh.
Nice. Let's see this.
I came in fourth.
I came in fourth place still. Oh, Running Man YY720. Pretty cool. Alright, let's go on round 3. Here you go, round 3. Last time Mudman run, and then Rumble. Now see who wins this one. Oh my, Big Ben, whoa. Right now I'm in first place. Or not. Oh my god, I just got turned on. Whoa.
Okay.
I don't know. Oh my god, just got schmacked. Remember, it's up to 35 this time, so watch out.
35, alright.
35, so watch out. Oh my god, I'm on a roll. Oh my god. No! I'm gonna blow it. I'm sorry. I hit the wrong button. The RB and LB are like, oh, get 360. Oh my god. Dude, this is like so sexy. Look here, I have diamond and gold on this. It looks so sexy. Oh, I saw you. Boom. Boom. And hit door with the pain door. Look at that diamond. It's so sick. Oh, here we go. Oh, one, two. Wait till we have one. Ah! Oh gosh. Alright. Alright, what? Oh my god, I get spawn. I spawn trapped you, dude. That was so sick. I spawn trapped you. That was sick. I just spawn trapped him. That was sick. That is wallbang. That was. Dude, you just got wrecked. Offense. Oh god. Alright, trick shot. What is it? Whatever your name is. Alright, Echo trick shot. Alright, I need 4 more kills and I can trick shot. Alright, I just got spawn trapped. 1, 2. Oh my gosh. Aha! Alright, then we have another one. Oh my god. Another one and another one. Alright. Someone kill me while I might. Alright, cool. Alright, trick shot. Let's do this. We need to do this. Alright.
Wait, how's Doctor get on that?
No! Guys, no killing trick shotters, alright? New rule, no killing trick shotters. No killing trick. Yo, Big Bad Wolf. No killing trick shotters, guys.
Well, don't Lemonade, kill me, bro. Kill me, Lemonade. Come on.
There you go.
Oh god.
What's the name?
Oh. Big Bad Wolf! What the crap, dude? Oh, I almost hit. I'm lucky that I oh my god.
Someone accidentally blew up a car.
Oh, like he shot the car right there. Like, ugh.
Dude, I shot you in the head and I shot the car at the same time. That was totally opposite. Direction miles away.
Alright, everyone, I hope you liked today's video. It's pretty funny and pretty cool. Everyone say your goodbyes. Alright, everyone say your goodbyes. Say your goodbyes, everyone.
Bye.
Peace out, people.
Peace out, guys.